Hello, hi everyone. Is anyone there? Hello. I think some people are joining in. We'll wait for some time. Hi Usha. Hi Sonal ji. Hi everyone. Uh, we'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll show you some of my works so that you can have a look at them. This is one of my clock. This is Lipan art. This I have made a key holder with the mural work. This everything is mural work. And this I have did on canvas. This is a nameplate. I hope you can see. And I do various art forms like mandala, doodles and tangle also. This is a small mandala wall decor. This is Pichwai. And this is another key holder. It is Khaligat painting. Thank you Sonal ji. And it is a diya I have made. This I have given in a chalk paint look. The same Fevicryl colors I have used. And so many are there. You can check my page Hall of Hobbies by Sri. In that you can find everything and so many more also. I hope we have members joining in, so let us wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Thank you Shreya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. So today we'll start with the Christmas theme, since the Christmas is coming around. Though we celebrate or not, since we are crafters, we do all kinds of things. So today we'll see mainly on the Christmas theme. So you can try it, and if you are taking any classes at home or anywhere, you can teach the same thing to the kids also. So we shall move on. I think 14 members. And this live I will keep on my page only, this group. So even if you have some 2 to 3 doubts, after this session go back again to the live session and watch again, so that in middle if you have any doubts they get clarified also. And during the live session I will answer all of your questions. Thank you Bharat, thank you so much. Okay, we'll start now. Just wait a minute, I'll set the camera. 2 minutes. Don't worry, it's in the live only. Just wait a minute, I am setting. So here you can have a good view, right? Yeah, today actually, as mentioned in the banner, we have 4 articles. Today we'll start with the ornaments, Christmas ornaments. For this we need a ball, mold it, 1 packet, actually small, little bit is enough. If you are taking more balls, then 1 packet is more than sufficient. And then acrylic colors. Actually there are so many ways to decorate this ornament. I will tell you one by one. So now what we have to do. This molded will come in different sizes. This is a small one, this is a big one, and previously it used to come in this Shilpkar packet. So anything is fine. So if you open this packet, you will get 2 of this like this. I am telling because few are very new to this and they don't know about this at all. So just I am showing with the very beginning. And in those 2 packets, open them and just open the both, and one will be white and one will be a darken. And when you are taking the molded, just place side by side like this, and when you are taking here, right now a little bit is sufficient for us. So just I am taking a very small one, very little bit, and when you are taking, take a small portions only, because this will, once you mix this both, it will dry faster. So for us this much is sufficient for 1 ball, that is for 1 ornament. So just take both of them and just mix it with your hand, keeping on one hand, mix it fully. And while mixing, if you see like these lines, right, these lines should not appear. Actually it is one of the best clay that will dry very fast. If you see terracotta or any clay, they will take at least minimum 24 hours to dry, but molded, this will dry very fast. See, no lines or nothing should be present. So take little bit of that, this much will be sufficient, like small will be sufficient. Make a round ball, and now just roll with your finger little bit to make it a cylindrical shape, and just press it like this, just press it. So here we are making a small cylindrical like shape. Now take the ball and place it here and just press it a bit, not too much, little bit. And see, we have like this, right? Now in your home, if you have any small pins which are very thin and which can bend easily, take those and bend them like this and insert here. For suppose if you don't have, just take this pin and make a hole through it. From one side to the other side. This hole you make it 5 to 10 minutes after you stick this mold it, because in the starting the mold it will not dry, and pricking the hole it will be a bit difficult. So once you stick it, after 5 minutes you prick the hole. I am telling this because for the Christmas tree, just you can pass the thread through this hole and you can hang. For suppose if you have any small thin wires like this, just you can pass through this, and this mold is so good that after drying this whole thing will become so hard, and through this you can hang to the Christmas tree. So what you do is just keep it aside, just place it on any lid and jar. You have Fevicryl caps, right? Place it on anything and like without rolling. So keep it aside. So I am keeping it because for drying it will take time. Already I have did one before the class. See, it became so sturdy that even if kept force, it will not come. So see, just with a plastic ball we can make our Christmas ornament. So how to decorate this? Actually there are so many ways to decorate this. I will start with the very simple one. Just I am taking a palette and I am taking Fevicol MR. Just I am pouring little bit. And now just wait a minute, I am taking the brush. Now take a brush and just, actually there are so many ways, I am telling you this one way. Apply Fevicol to the whole ball. Apply evenly, make sure that every place is covered. Apply like this to the whole ball. Actually now I am showing you some part only because I want to show you all the possibilities and all the ways how we can decorate. So now I take some glitter. Actually these are the different ways which you can have, but I will also show you with the materials that you are having. Just pour the glitter on the Fevicol. Fully. Actually right now I have made only some part of the ball. Since we have less time, I have to cover so many things. So I have kept only some part of the ball. Just dab the excess. See how beautiful our ornament is. See, you can make like this with different colors, or while applying the glue itself, no need to apply fully. Just you can make rounds, apply glue to that part only, and then, or you can make stripes or anything which you wish. After this class I will upload the pics and the video also, so that by seeing that also you can have some idea. Like this you should do for the whole ball. Since we have some less time, I have did to only a small part. This you can again keep it on the bottle again, and you can reuse it again. Now what is the other method? Take any acrylic color that you like. So this is one type, and like this the same, just apply Fevicol and stick the rock salt. We'll have the rock salt right in our home, in the kitchen. Stick that. That will give a very icy effect, you know. After it dried fully, it will give an icy effect. And the other thing I am showing you is take any acrylic color. Just wait a minute. I'm washing my brush since I have dipped it in Fevicol. Make sure that when you are using Fevicol and all, make sure that you wash your brush nicely, so that the bristles will be so nice. If you didn't wash, they will get hard and you cannot use it the other time. Now the another type we can decorate our ornament is with acrylic colors. Just dip it and paint the whole ball. And when you are painting like this one, no need to paint with whole with a single color. You can, as like we draw on the paper, you can draw like a Santa, or you can make a snowman, or means in this you can draw anything you want. If you know a dot art or anything, you can make on this as well. That will look more beautiful. If you know dot mandala, or you can make those. Or if you no decoupage. Actually right now I am not doing decoupage, but if you know decoupage, you can even go for it. So there are endless possibilities in which you can decorate. And see, if there are some kids, or if you feel like in brushes you are getting strokes or it's not getting properly, you can use a sponge. This will make the work more easier, and the look also will give more perfect. I am sure I have shown with brush and this because you can see both. With sponge, especially for kids, it will be very useful because they may not paint with brush fully for so much time. So just keep some acrylic color on the palette, just dip it and dab it fully. So it has to be dried. So this one I am keeping it aside. Wait a minute so that I will keep all aside. So like that, for the ornament you can decorate in so many ways. And the other one is we are going to learn is the bookmark with a Christmas theme. See how cute they are. For this we need ice cream sticks, Fevicol and acrylic colors and brush. Why I have told Fevicol for this? Because actually for any kind of surface except paper, whether it is a wood or a plastic or it can be a terracotta or anything, if you apply color directly on that day and the next day, for looking it will be fine. But later on what will happen is that this material will absorb the color and it will be very dim. So how to overcome that? We have to prime it. Actually for outside we'll have primers also, but since we are doing very small projects, no need to buy primers separately. Just add a little bit of water to Fevicol, just a little bit, just some 5 to 6 drops to some Fevicol and just coat this fully. After drying, then start coloring. And when you start, just make sure that it is fully neat and clean, because sides will have small things, right? So just remove all those, make it neat and apply water, Fevicol plus water, just mix them with brush and just apply it fully. Keep it for 2 to 3 hours. Once it is dried, then apply colors. Now I will show you this Santa and snowman But like this you can make so many as like you want. For the Santa hat, just I am drawing a line. To give the border, I am drawing another line, and here comes our face, eyes and the face. This is the beard, and the belt. This is the buckle of the belt. This is another line, and this is like the shirt part, and this is the pant. So when you are drawing, if you are good enough, you can draw directly with colors, but it will be always nice just to draw a outline of it, because sometimes if you didn't draw the outline, what happens is that from the top if you come, there may be chances like this part you can go more and this part you can come less. So just with pencil, right now I did with pen, but just with pencil make just a small outline and then start. Just right now just I am filling with acrylic colors. Since Santa mostly it will be red, the dress will be red, I'm painting it with red. And while making, make sure that you are coloring for this part also, this side. It makes the simple things makes your work looks more neat and elegant. And for the shirt part also I am drawing red. And then for the hat as well. And here this pop cycle bookmarks, they are super easy. You can do it within 15 to 20 minutes. Only the thing is they should dry. And I suggest you if you have experience, then you can make all colors at once, but if you are new, make sure that once one color dried fully, go for the another one. What happens is that, for suppose just if you are another color, if you are drawing here as well, means since this is wet and the new color will also be wet, so both will mix. Especially for kids, if you are teaching kids, or just if you are making your son or daughter make this one, so make sure that they are doing. So now I am taking white. Just white, I am drawing it here. See, once it is fully dried, you can just glue the cotton as well. The look will be more elegant, and it will be very nice if you glue the cotton. So like this. Now we have to go for black. These are super easy. And tomorrow we'll do the jar and the plate. And just I'll be doing it I'll complete it in 2 days itself. So for tomorrow we'll complete the session. Once the white is fully dried, then add the ice with black. Now please don't do, because since this will be wet, both colors will mix. Once this is fully dried, then you keep ice and a small mouth. And at last what I have done is, I have taken a small piece of cotton, I have rolled it, and I have just glued it here and here. And for the Christmas tree, we have to hang them, right? For that you need a ribbon or a thread. If you have any decor thread or a ribbon, or you will have wool, right? Wool also will be fine. Wool, or if you doesn't have anything, just take this thread, make some 5 to 6 times and just twist it and attach at the back side. While attaching, just I have cut a small black cardstock, and I have attached it so that it will give a much more nicer look. And back side I have painted fully with black. So these are the super cute bookmarks that children, they will like it very much. And here is the snowman. And in the group I will post different pics and different ideas after this class, so that by seeing them you can make various kinds. for our ornament also, while coloring, you can make like, I'm just giving you an idea. Just wait a minute. See how we have made our bookmark like that. You can make a Santa ornament also. Like you keep here a belt, buckle. I have made a buckle here. So before painting, just draw with pencil or pen like this, and just keep here buttons, small round like. So paint this fully with red and the small buttons with black, belt with black, and the buckle with white. So after coloring, this also will look like Santa ornament. And for coloring the ornaments, what are the different types you can do? Just I'm keeping all of them aside. See, while coloring the Santa ornament, just you can color the whole ball. Just before coloring, make lines like this with pen or pencil, and just give this one color and this leave and just this color white. This you can keep red or green. Normally for Christmas we use the colors like red, green and all, so that they'll give more of the Christmas vibes. So I am telling these colors mostly. You can make like this, or you can give stripes from top to bottom and make alternately different colors, or from the top you can make small droplets till bottom, making a big size, just increasing the size from top to bottom. See this one how it will come like. See, with brush, dip it in the paint and just you can press it like this. Once I'll show you, if not once. Actually the color which I have done, it's not fully dried, so I cannot show it on that. See this one, it's not fully dried, it is semi dried. See, dip it in the color and just move it around. It will give a flower look. Like that you can change the colors layer by layer. See here I am showing you directly on the ball, but before you paint it with the acrylic color and then go for this. See, now one layer is over, right? Now like that you go for another color. wash your brush in water and wipe off the brush fully with a cloth every time. If in brush there is some water, means next time when you are doing it, it will mix. Just dab it. Like that, from top to bottom. You can go with different colors, and even you can increase the size, or if you want like this, you can draw till the end. This is one kind. And if you want, in the list I have given you a gold and silver, right? Previously we have done glitter, but if you want, you can paint this whole ball with this gold itself. On that you can make snowflakes. The snowflakes you can make it with a red color. Snowflakes, the easiest snowflake I am telling you here. Just make 6 lines. With brush you should do. When you are doing with brush, these lines will come a bit thicker. So once you done, just with brush make small dots in every side. So in middle you can give again. This is the easiest snowflake that you can draw. Like that, the ornaments you can color it the way you like. I hope it is pretty clear and easy as well. And after this session, I will send you in the group all the different kinds of pics and video that how you can decorate all these. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed. Actually, these are the very little things that we can do on our own. Here I didn't go deeply or too much of in detail or very big designs, because I want everyone to make this, whether they are from the art background or just kids or anyone. So I have told everything in a very simple way. Actually, if you want to go in depth, you can do anything on that. Even on the ornaments we can do pitchwai kalamkari also if we like. So today we'll wind up the session, and tomorrow I'll cover the jar and the plate, so that it will be on just a 2-day workshop. Thank you all. Thank you Sonal, thank you so much. See you guys, see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. and after seeing the videos I will share in some time, maybe after taking my tea and snacks I will share, so that on seeing them you can make whichever ornament you want. Thank you guys.